All right, here we go. Rodney's 2 boxes, 12-13 Panini Anthology. Good luck to you, sir. Well, let's hope it's time to get silly. All right, in Prism, we've got a rookie autograph of Tyler Kuma, and a rookie of Robert Meyer. We've got a 2-color Game Gear patch, numbered to 25, Chemo Timonen. We've got an Elite Rookie to 9.99, Andrew Jodry. We've got a Game Gear jersey of Colby Armstrong. We've got a Legacies, numbered to 9.99, Gordie Howe. We've got a Royal Lineage triple jersey, Dave Taylor, Justin Williams, and Kyle Clifford. Royal Lineage triple. We've got an Elite Rookie to 9.99, Shea Genoway. We've got a Great Outdoors, numbered to 500, Kirk Muller. We got a Rookie Treasures, dual jersey and autograph, numbered to 6.99, Tyson Sexsmith. We've got a Cup Contenders to 9.99, Zdeno Chara. Oh, that's cool. We've got a Scratching the Surface Signatures, Brett Hull. Speaking of seeing them looking weird in a uniform, Brett Hull, Scratching the Surface Signatures. Still freaking cool, though. Finish with a Heart Contenders to 9.99, David Backus. And, oh, that's really nice. A Luxury Suite, stick and autograph, numbered 3/10, Brad Richards. 3/10, Brad Richards. Nice. Successful box is successful. On to box 2. Alright, we've got a Prism rookie auto of Philippe Cornet and a rookie of Carter Camper. We've got a Cup Contenders, the 9.99, Joe Thornton. Told you this stuff, every box has something cool. What I love about it. We've got an Intensity, numbered to 500, Wendell Clark. And a Rookie Treasures, dual jersey and autograph, numbered to 6.99, Tyson Berry. Heart Contenders, the 9.99, Tyler Seguin. We've got a Metallic Marks Bronze autograph, Dana Tyrell. We've got an Elite Rookie to 9.99, Aaron Ness. And we've got a Luxury Suite, Game Used Stick, Carey Price. We've got a Game Gear 4-color patch, numbered 19/25, James Neal. 19/25 Game Gear 4-color patch, James Neal. We've got a Legacies to 9.99 Bernie Nichols. We've got a Game Gear jersey of Andrew Cogliano. We've got a Vezina Contenders to 9.99 Craig Anderson. And we've got a Game Gear 3-color patch, or Jersey Prime, numbered 44/50, Jamie Benn. Jamie Benn. There's 2 patches in that box. And a stick. Sick. So there you go, buddy.